Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Production possibilities curve questions look scary, but this one is fast if you track whether the economy moves inside the curve or onto it. In the production possibilities curve model, points on the curve show full employment and efficient production, while points inside the curve show unused resources, like workers who are unemployed. So if cyclically unemployed workers find jobs, the economy does not shift the whole curve. It moves from an inside point to a point on the curve. That means we want the movement from F, an inefficient inside point, to G, a full employment point on the curve. So option D wins. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, rushing past point locations. Rule, trust the given graph and check whether movement goes inside the curve.